My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called 4YWDA. 4YWDA. In this video guide, you'll find out how exactly this ransomware affects the files and how damaging the ransomware is. So, before the ransomware attack, there are no problems opening the files. People can open any file types, including pictures, music, videos, Microsoft Office files, and other data easily. But the point is that because of certain vulnerabilities in the security system of the specific computer, this ransomware for YWDA may somehow be injected. And it is quite certain that the fact that this ransomware has attacked your system means that it was because of the failure of your current security software to protect your data, to protect your files. And this is why the ransomware has been injected into the computer. So pretty soon people realize that something bad has happened and they cannot access their files. The ransomware encrypts the files and then adds a special extension to the data. You may, by the way, open the task manager of your computer and then discover that there are some suspicious processes which could be running in the background, and these processes may be related to that particular ransomware type threat. In some cases, the processes that are related to the ransomware are random, and in some cases they are not random. And so now you can clearly see the results of the ransomware attack. You can clearly see that indeed there is a random process related to that particular ransomware. However, right now the ransomware has already completed its malicious functions and the files are encrypted. The ransomware gives this scary message mentioning that all your data were encrypted. Then the ransomware tells its victims to pay the ransom for the file restoration, and it actually adds this special extension for YWDA to the files. However, paying the ransom does not guarantee that the files would be restored, so we strongly urge you not to pay that ransom. What we recommend you to do is to immediately undertake the measures to remove the ransomware, and we suggest that you do it with the help of Combo Cleaner, which works very well at detecting and deleting all contemporary ransomware type threats. You may get Combo Cleaner on the website combocleaner.com. Download it using this green download button. Install the application, then start investigating your computer with its help. First of all, the program is in the trial mode, but it has the great features such as ransomware or anti-ransomware tool that helps you to protect your data from being damaged and infected in the future. So, if you consider upgrading to the premium version of Combo Cleaner, in this case, all your data will be protected. In fact, you may add several folders that will be protected by Combo Cleaner. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is crucial for proper malware detection and elimination. So after the anti-malware database is updated, the program will begin scanning your system, and then it will give you the summary of all threats that were found during the scanning. As I said, Combo Cleaner works very well at detecting the contemporary ransomware type infections, and it will also help you to fix other computer-related issues like adware, browser hijackers, fake system optimization tools, and other threats. So after the scanning is completed, you will see the summary of threats. You'll be able to remove them manually by going to these locations and deleting threats manually, or we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.